Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of IDC Fishing. Today I'm going to be fishing off the Bass Raider. I'm going to be doing a challenge. Not really a challenge, but more, it's a challenge to me because I'm not very good at this. I'm going to be fly fishing. I got a little fly on here, a little sinking fly, and I'm just bringing these just in case the fly does not work. It's a 9.5 foot or 9 foot 8 or something. Fly rod. I forgot the company. I've had it for like a year or so. Right now it is currently 3:58 if it'll focus, 3:58, about 4 o'clock, and I'm going to be heading over and fishing off the Bass Raider today. But that's pretty much what I'm doing. I'm bringing all my camera gear and tackle and that. It's all my stuff right there. I'm charging this battery right now. It's almost done. It's almost done charging. Or sorry, no, it's the other way around. Blue is the middle, red is is pretty much dead, and then green is all charged. So I'm gonna strap on the trusty, and I'll see you guys out there in about 20-30 minutes. Hey guys, welcome back. We had a little bit of difficulties. As you can see, we took that all apart. We finally got the trolling motor working. There's a fuse that was not connected properly, so Mr. Doug came out and we fixed it. It is now currently 5:37. I have till 6:20 to fish. I'm on. Finally. This is my first bass, guys. Get us out deeper. First fish on this bank. One hook. See you later, little guy. No. So. There we go. There we go, guys. Mr. Guy over here was on a bed. Bye, Guy. And my worm is gone. That was absolutely terrible cast.
What you want from me? That's too much.
Yet I have a fish. You guys like that release? Rocky Rig Senko probably gonna come to my rescue and catch me a 7-pounder. On. Oh shoot, guys! Hold up! Look at this guy just spit up. Little bluegill. Let's not do this, my guy. Okay, got it. Sorry, guy. And he's off. Oh, that was so cool. I saw that fish eat it. That was awesome. I saw it on the bed too. I'm gonna fish this cove for like a minute and then I'm gonna head in.
I don't know what you want from me.
Let's troll home, guys.
That's too much.
I'm gonna pack everything up except for the chesty.